Hey everybody, Dr. Tony here at Countryside Clinic. I have Miss Tiffany here with me today, and she's just going to share her story as far as her knee and how it's been doing since she's been coming in. So, Miss Tiffany, how you doing?
So a couple months ago, my knee was really hurting me. Actually, went to another doctor and was told that I hyperextended it. Was told I needed to do a lot of physical therapy, and I was on crutches, wasn't able to walk. But came to Dr. Tony. He told me he could help me out, and after several treatments, I'm doing good.
So what are you able to do now, like that you weren't doing from before?
Oh, well, walk normally is one, and I work out a lot, so that was really inhibiting that. So now I'm back to working out full time, have no problem with walking or no pain.
So tell me about working out. Like, did you notice, like, how was your movement with like squatting and other things like that?
Squatting was difficult, lunges were difficult. I would say pretty much anything, because I do a lot of HIIT workouts, so high impact. That was hurting a lot. It was pretty much constant pain and swelling, so the treatments have really been working.
Awesome. All right.